guys, I'm here with my next video to show you guys how to make a male model. It's actually really easy. It's just more of trying to get the face to not look like this, as beautiful as he is. So to start off, we are going to want to edit the skin. I always like to start with the skin of the model first and then edit it as we go. Just use the basic color from the tutorial. Alright, and let's just go and delete all of the stuff that they give us, because we're not going to use any of these. They're garbage. Not really, it's just I don't like them. Alright, so we're going to start with the nose. There we go. As you can see, I'm very picky about my nose. It might be easier for you just to do a line, but alas. And this color, I like this color better. Alright. Let's go in. Make the nose shadow. Well, just go crazy, go stupid. And let's just erase and carve it out. There we go. That is decent enough. I'm never happy. Okay, so we can go up here. You don't have to do this part. I just like it. We can add, add a little like nose color, a little more red. That works. And we can go and blend it in from the top. Again, you don't have to do this part. I just like to do it. Yep, not bad. Alright, so let's delete those eyelids. We don't want those. Let's make our own. So, guy eyelids in anime are typically like more sunken in, more deeper than they are for girls. Just how anime works. So we're going to try to find a good spot where we want to start. Right here is good. I'm gonna fast forward the fuck out of this video. Alright, and so the mouth is an easy part. We are going to get our dark color and we are going to make our lines. That is too far in. Let's do it right here. We're going to start making that part deep and we're going to go in and slightly curve at the apple of the lip. I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to call it the apple. We're going to erase the bottom. It just adds like a little subtle grin, a little smile. Okay, and we're going to go in and do the lower lip shade. Again, you don't have to. I just think it adds a lot to a model to add more than just basic colors, especially for male models. Just adds a sort of boldness to it. A more mature look to it. And I'm gonna add the part beneath the chin. Because all males have a deep little lip chin thing. That's how it works, right? Anime told me. Alright, I'll save as new item. Why not? I get cursed a lot with when I don't save things. There is a mosquito in my room. Alright. We are going to do the ears. I always forget to do the ears. I never want to do the ears. I usually get rid of the ears, but for a male model, we will make ears. Do not laugh at me. My ears are bad. I'm just drawing straight on the model because... What's the word? What am I? Lazy. See, you all know the answer. That works. Why not? And then let's just shade it in. And so if you're like me and you accidentally draw on the layer a lot, you can go to the edit and do as a darker, and it should generally it will come out fine if your layer is dark, labeled as darker. Alright, I'm gonna go around the chin and the jaw. And we're going to try and make it so that... Alright, so let's make a little rounder right here.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Okay. Now we're gonna go to our scleras. Alright, and let's get rid of the lower teeth. I don't like those. With the male models, I don't like to get rid of the upper teeth. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm saving because I've tried this 3 times now and I've lost 2 other models trying to make this tutorial. Praise me. I love you guys so much. Alright, so I'm going to use basic stuff because... What's the word? Lazy. Okay. You can always go in and I'm gonna add more eyelashes. Because nothing makes a boy prettier than nice eyelashes. Let's just color those in. Stealing colors from what's given to us. Doesn't have to be perfect because nobody's going to be zooming in on your model. Unless you give them the model. Alright. Pretty, pretty, pretty boy. Give him nice eyelashes. Nicer than mine. I will live vicariously through his eyelashes. So, speaking of like making male characters, y'all know Vox Akuma? I don't know what it is about him and Merryweather, but they fill me with such dread. Not like in a bad way, but as in like I cease all cognitive functions when I see them together. It's like a miasma, and it inflicts my fight or flight sense, and I get stuck and I don't know what to choose. I don't know if I want to fight them both, or if I want to like cry and run away. There's just something about Merryweather and Vox. They terrify me. They reek of such horrid power. I'm sorry, this isn't really much of a tutorial right now, but you can see what I'm doing while I'm talking, can't you? I feel like it'd be more fun this way than just to me fast forward the video, right? Right? I mean, I can fast forward the video if you want. Alright, let's get the face. Let's add some more color. Ah! The mosquito flew in by my face! I really hope it doesn't bite me. And let's add some more color. I like to add eye bags to my men. Eye bags are sexy. It means he doesn't sleep. Just like me. Alright. I blended it in too. And let's add some pretty eyeshadow or eyeliner. Why not? Let's just blend it in. And it looks nice and pretty. That's a simple thing you can also add to a model. It's just a light shade of red around the eyes. Adds sort of foxy look to it. Ah, my ear itches. This part is entirely up to you. You can do whatever you want right here. Again, I'm just doing it how I do it. So I'll show you how I'm doing it. My ear itches. Did it bite my ear? Huh. Hair. So the thing about anime boy hair, or just anime hair in general, so what it works in layers. Let's use this picture for example. It's the best picture we can use because it's easy to understand, and it's also my higher quality picture that I ripped off the internet. Alright, so his hair. You can't tell really, but I'll block it up for you. And it is separated basically in like 4 sections. There is this area right here, which is also part of this area, and this area. So think of this as like your layer on Vroid. Here is your second area. Yeah. Your third area is your ahoge. And then fourth layer is basically the back of the hair. Like so. It's really easy to make hair in Vroid once you understand how they work in layers. So you got your top, your middle, your sides, and your top. Yeah. Alright, there is our model. He looks pretty good, if I do say so myself, which I am. It's because he's a little smaller. But other than that, I'm not gonna go into textures because you can do whatever you want for textures. I already have like 2 other videos on that. But does not look bad. I say he looks quite good. And again, if y'all have any questions, feel free to message me on YouTube or Twitter or Reddit or wherever. Preferably not Reddit. I actually don't check my inbox very often on Reddit. But all my information should be on my channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye!